Hi, now we will see what are type conversions and type coercion in JavaScript. Type conversion and type coercion refer to changing a value from one data type to another data type. Okay, but they differ in how and when this happens. Okay, that means type conversion is something that is done manually, whereas type coercion is done automatically. Okay, so this is done by a developer. Okay, when he or she uses methods like number or string, something like that, whereas type coercion is done implicitly, which is automatically done by the JavaScript engine. All right. So these are some specifications like a type conversion is triggered by developer, whereas type coercion is triggered by a JavaScript engine. Okay. And the control is like type conversion will have full control what we can convert from a number to a string or string to number. We can do that. But in type coercion, it is all done by the JavaScript engine. So some examples include this one converting a string to a number and performing some operation. Let's say this is turning out to be a subtracting number one from 123. It means this is converted, right? So when we have a plus sign, when we do addition, and if the operand is a string, then always the conversion happens to a string. That means if for 10 plus 10 is done, it will be 1010 instead of 20. Okay, we will see those examples now. But yeah, the following thing is when we use these operators like minus, multiplication, and division, we get the conversion that is to a number. Okay, so even if these are the strings, string minus string, it will be treated as a number. We will see these examples as well. And JavaScript causes values depending on the operator. So based on these operators, the type conversion, the type conversion is done by the JavaScript depending on these operators. Okay. Now let's see the example of type conversion. So for this, we will take one variable. Let's say uh, cons. I'll say current year, which is let's say for example, this is a string 2012. And let's log this to control. So here, let's run this one. Let me bring the control here, and this will print 2012. Okay, and if I say what is the type of this print here, which is type of, okay, so this will give me string. All right, and conversion we were talking about, right? So we will convert this 2012. That means I'll just use this logger here, and when I do number of current year, what this gives is a 2012, which is a number, converts to a number. You can see the color specification here. If it is a normal string, this will be shown in this format or this color. Whereas in blue color, you can see the number, it is turned into blue when this is a number, right? And if I just some addition here, okay. So if I say 2012, again in 2012 I'll do, and I'll convert this, okay. So this already this is a number, right? So number plus number is an addition. If I put double quote, so what will happen is it is concatenated, okay. 2012 plus 2012. So this is type conversion. Let's take an example of one thing as well. Const first name is equal to no, and if I just say that this is what a string. If I convert the string into a number, what happens? Let's see. Okay, this is something we are converting a string to a number, which is not possible. Then System says that this is a not a number. That means an invalid number. Okay, this invalid number. All right. So this is about the type conversion. Okay, and yeah. Now let's talk about type coercion. Type coercion is like if I say log, and when I do 100 minus 10, you will put this also in string. Again, I'll do minus 10. Okay. Now I will do 10 addition to this. Okay. So you can guess that, as I said, if an operator is minus, it will be a number, right? So it will be done like 100 minus 10, which is 80, and 80 plus 10. Okay. So string plus 10. What will happen? We'll see. 80 plus 10 is a the outcome of this number is what? 80, which is a number. Okay. And 80 plus 10 is 90. If I put this one, what happens? 80 plus 10, 80, 10. Okay. This is concatenated value. And this is coercion. We are not using any of the methods like converting from a number to a string or a string to a number. Okay. Then this is done automatically. Okay. So we were talking about one more example of a string, right? Let me take an example of converting a number to say on num1, let's say, is equal to 100, I'll say, and I'll do logger here and convert this to a string. Okay. Once the string is converted, if I do addition like string plus number, this will be a concatenated value, which is 100 plus 10. Okay, 110. I mean to say this is concatenated 100, 10010. If I just omit this and run this, we are getting 100 of type string. Okay. Type conversion is done. Type coercion, we saw one simple example. Okay. And we will just take one more example. Let's say a string plus number. Okay. So console log, I'll say I am, and then 40, or remove this string, 40 plus years old. Okay. What this gives us is that concatenated string. I am 40 years old. Okay. Even if you put like this, it is also the same. And if I just do remove this 40 and put parentheses and put string here. Okay. What will happen? This is also the same. Okay. This is as if we are not having the type coercion in place. Then we are using this type conversion, okay, manually, and we are getting the same output. And we have the type coercion, right? So this will be done by the type coercion, okay, the same output. All right, this is all about type conversion and type coercion, and that's all for now. Thank you.